The decision-making process, especially to go with Tock, I had a residential system put in at my house about 3 years ago. I worked with Tock to put that system in. Was very pleased with the work, very pleased with the results. So when we were looking at going solar here at the VFW, that was obviously my first recommendation to get an estimate from Tock Energy. The major hurdle for me was just getting the buy-in from the members and the officers here at the club. I know that as I get a little older, I'm a little partial to my nickels and the generation ahead of me, and maybe one ahead of them is a little more partial to theirs. So selling it to them and getting the buy-in from the membership was really the biggest hurdle that we had. Luckily, the folks that came before, the officers that are elected now, were very smart with the money that the club was making, and they invested a lot of it. That's what gave us the opportunity for the solar system. And what we're really trying to do is set up the club for the future. We're looking at other ways to invest our money wisely for those people that come behind us so that they can enjoy the club just like we do. The return on the investment, the analysis that we looked over on the solar system was very, very comparable, if not a little better than what we are getting on our current investments in the stock market and mutual funds. So that made the decision pretty easy. Our average March electric bill before the solar system was anywhere between $750 and $800. That was our average March electric bill before we put the solar system in. Just this last March, our bill was less than $80. So that return on investment, to see that immediately was awesome. And it seems like it's already outperforming what the projection was. The project was finished. The meeting that we had here at the club afterwards, I did not hear anything but praise in regards to the work, the quality of work, and just the professionalism that all the members and the folks here experienced when the crews were here working on the system. They were all very happy and very pleased. Haven't heard one negative comment yet.
To the veterans of VFW Post 2244 and to all veterans, we salute you and thank you for your service. To learn more about solar for your commercial facility, visit TickTockEnergy.com.